All right, we're at the parking garage for the Woodbridge Virginia Railway Express Station in Woodbridge, Virginia. I guess that's the machine room in there, right next to that generator. And here it comes. Looks like a Dover. I think I filmed this before. It is a Dover, and it's even got the bumpers and the bell. That is pretty weird looking. Let's go up to 4. Door close button does not work. Bumper's broken, or at least it's not, it doesn't act right. This thing's really vintage. Love that bell. Check out that indicator. That is really something. I'm actually gonna get off here so I can walk over there and look at the elevator there, but definitely a very interesting Dover, I gotta say. Really quite old. I just stopped the doors. Well, I guess if, as long as it lets me out. And there it goes, and check that out. It's got an actual lock over the drop keyhole, so only authorized users can use a drop key on the elevator. All right, that'll be it.